Here's a 1954 Ford Crestline four-door sedan. Here at Unique Specialty in Classics. 239 overhead valve V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front. Has had a repaint to kind of a tri-coat white, I would call this. Fun car to get in, take your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website with all the pics. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, wheel covers highlighted by the red on the steel wheels, wide white walls. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. One thing to remember is we do consider trades, as well as financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Kind of a cloth and vinyl combination as far as in the seats, bench seat up front. A lot of bright work in this car, as you can see. Let's take a look at the rear bumper. Now that 239 is paired up again with a Ford-O-Matic, so no shifting on this car. Dual exhaust. If you stick around to the very end of the video too, we're going to take this car for a drive, go down the road with it, put the camera in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride if you will. And again, those pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like old cars and watching these videos, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. You never know what you might see come through here. There's some pretty cool cars in detail right now that will be coming through and being listed in our, I should say, on our website, and the videos will be getting uploaded. So go ahead and subscribe if you like old cars. All right, let's check out this interior a little closer. Kind of a two-tone combination again with that vinyl and cloth. You'll get a good look at the rear seats and with the still pictures. How about the headliner looking good? Very stock looking dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up. That is it. Fires right up. I have had the wipers working. Radio seemed to power up, had static, but did not get reception, just so you're aware of that. Dash painted to match the exterior. Slip around so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy over the top as far as the exhaust goes, just a nice sounding car. Slip up to the front. I'm gonna have to pause this. It'll take me a couple hands to get this hood open. Let me get that open and we'll check out this engine bay. And like I said, stick around to the very end of the video. We'll take this thing for a drive. There's a peek at the underside of the hood. And here we go. Kind of cool how the exhaust is running in this. Bumping around, ties in and out the rear. There is a battery disconnect here for in between drives while it's in storage. Heater hose is intact. Smooth running engine, no doubt about that. All right, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1954 Ford Crestliner. This is an automatic on the column, 4-door. Very nice interior. Seats and door panels looking like new. Headliner as well. Very smooth running car. And we're waiting for some traffic here today. There we go. Down in the kick panel area, I do see some kick panels made for speakers that look like maybe 6x9s. You can put your own speakers in. Our windshield wipers and blower motor do work on this car. Fuel gauge is reading 1/4 of a tank. Temperature is about 1/3 of the way up the gauge. That's all looking good. A little bit of play in the steering, as you might expect from a 54 Ford. Got that awesome speedometer that you can see through. One of the cool styles from the 50s. So many cool things in the 50s. There is a chip in the glass right here. I'm sure Jay pointed that out as well. Very nice running car. Smooth ride. Easy to drive, comfortable bench seat with cloth and vinyl. Set up nice and high in this car. You've got good visibility. That hood ornament looks like a jet airplane flying through space. Another awesome 50s feature, hood ornaments that look great. We just heard a little tink. That was a set of keys falling off of the seat. Nothing in the car. Kick down is working great on this automatic transmission. It is a winter day in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Take a look at this lovely Ford Crestliner. All the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.